Everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm excited to announce the launch of Roundly 2.0. It's been about a year since version 1 and I'm really excited to share this big update with you all. Roundly 2.0 now includes support for shape layers, and this has been one of the most requested features and it's finally here. You can check it out using the link in the description below, but before we wrap up, let me quickly walk you through on how to use it. So I have After Effects opened and you can see I have 4 layers. I have a shape layer, a video, a comp, and an image. If I play this, you can see this is actually a video and you can see the animated car moving. And if I zoom in here on the right to the script, you can see we have the script. There's not much that's changed in terms of the UI, but what it now support is shape layers. I'm just going to quickly zoom back out and we are going to head over to the shape layer. I'm going to click that and head back here. I'll probably zoom in again. So for top left, let's say we want to make the top left 100 and top right, we'll probably leave it at 0. Bottom left, I can make these 100 and bottom right, let's leave it at 0. And for the stroke, I'm just going to include it, leave it at 2. Color is going to be black, so I'll just leave it for now. We can always tweak this later. I'm just going to hit apply. And if I zoom back out, you can see that apply to the shape layers. And something else you also want to pay attention to is the controls. If I click that and you're going to head over to effect controls, and this is for control 1, you can see different control options you can use to tweak the roundness even more. I'm just going to zoom on this more so you guys kind of like see it, right? So for the slider, this is the 100 we just said, so I can still adjust this more. Maybe I want this part to be rounded. I can do that, take this one out a bit, and then maybe round this other side, the bottom right radius too as well. And then for the stroke, I can choose to probably uncheck these or check these. And then for the colors, maybe I want to give it a red color. All of these to work. So everything we had on version 1 still worked exactly on version 2. The only big change here is that it now includes a shape layer. It works for shape layers. And that's it for the shape layers. Let's go check out how the other layers is gonna work. So I'm going to click on the video. Now, maybe this time, instead of using individual corners, I'll probably use the round corners. And here I can just make these, let's say 200. And this time I'll uncheck the stroke option. And if I hit apply, you can see that also applies. And then I have my control option here just above the layer. If I click that, oops, I think I probably turned off the effect control. If I click it, you just want to make sure that effect control is checked. You can find this just by clicking effect and effect control or using F3 as the shortcut. So you can see that created the option for me, and for 200 I can choose to even make these more rounded, but I think I like it about here. It's okay. Still check back the stroke. I can still choose to turn it on or turn it off. And let's do it again for the comp. So I'm going to select the comp, but this time maybe I just want to only keep the top left and make everything else 0. And if we hit apply, you see that works and I get my controls and I can come here, to still adjust things. And lastly, for the image, I'm going to click this. Maybe this time I just want it to, let's say, be about, probably want this to just be about 50. And I want to have a stroke, and maybe the stroke this time I want it to be 10. And I will hit apply. You can see that get added and I got my controls and I can always tweak these how I want. So this is the new update, guys. The shape layers now work and everything seems to be working. So like I said, you're going to get everything we had on version 1. You get the same thing, but these version 2 now support our shape layers, which is really cool. I hope this is helpful. Like I mentioned, you can grab it from the link below. If you run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. And if this script is helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching and see you soon.